everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, hi, hello, my name is Jennifer and I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. We do a giveaway every single 100 subscribers. We just closed my 300 subscriber giveaway last week, so super fun things. Yeah. Notice anything else new? I'm just kidding. I did put a video up on Wednesday. I missed Monday this week and I am so sorry. So sorry. But I ended up getting called into work, so my video didn't go up on Monday and I'm really sorry, but you got to see it on Wednesday. So we hacked off my hair. I got rid of my red. I feel very weird. I do not feel like myself. I just need some time to get used to it. I got really not the best day to wear a black shirt, but I do just have a long bob, and this shirt is also not, this is not working with me. The strings are too long. I'm not boobalicious enough for it. But today I wanted to embrace my dark brown, almost black hair and not having red and just being more neutral. I always dress neutrally, but my hair has always been something crazy. So because of that, I wanted to do like a milk chocolate brown look thing. And we're throwing it back old school because I used to always start my videos with my face and my eyebrows on, and we literally just did eyes and lips, and it seemed to be quicker videos. So we're gonna try that today. I don't know if we're gonna stick to it, but if you enjoyed the video while you're watching, please give it a thumbs up down below. My Instagram and a few other videos from my channel are linked down below if you'd like to check those out as well. And without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. So the palette I'm going to be using today is the disgusting looking, this is the Morphe 350. This is like OG. This is my first Morphe palette, and like it's been through some things. Okay, I really liked this palette. It was like my go-to everyday palette, so let's see if I still like it. I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush, and these don't have names, which kind of sucks. I don't want this to be a super warm tone look either. I'm going to go in, I don't know what I want to go in with actually. Let me just take a little bit of this shade, and we're gonna start buffing that into our crease kind of as a transition shade. Y'all, I've had red hair so long. I know you've already seen the hair video and like you don't really care anymore. But if you've had one hair color and one hairstyle for so long and then you drastically change it, like it is so weird. I'm just saying. I feel so different and it's so weird. I used to always keep a bob. I didn't keep it this long in the back. I kind of want to go and get a little bit more cut off the back, but for right now we're just gonna set with it because of how much it sucked getting my hair cut. So now that we have that down as a transition shade, I want to go in with this shade, and I'm gonna start working that right over that transition shade we had down. Also, so sorry if you can hear James and Ellie in the next room and or my television in the next room. They're watching tunes today. Okay, so like I said, I want this to be a very dark, chocolatey moment. I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna take this shade, and I'm taking this instead of on a crease brush. I forgot how much Fallout Morphe palettes have. Maybe should have done my eyes first. And I want to pack this over, yeah. I just want to pack that over my entire lid. Yeah, we like that, I think. Okay, so kind of fudged up on the side, but it's fine. I'm gonna go back in with the original crease brush and this shade we took. I'm just gonna kind of buff out the edges a little bit. Nothing crazy. Yeah, I'm feeling this. I used to, it's hard to really tell if you don't know me in like real life and see me on a daily basis, but I used to always like go out wearing crazy makeup, like something totally insane. I would wear that every single day. And in the past probably 2 years being pregnant and having a baby now, I just really calmed down. And even when I would get dressed up, I would always do something like super warm tone and sparkly and shimmery. But back in the day, my ass always had on super, super dark makeup all the time without fail, no matter what. And it's kind of nice going back to it and getting to like see it again on me, but I don't know. So I'm gonna take that same fluffy brush and I'm gonna take this shade down here, which is a super dark brown, and I'm gonna focus this on the outer corner and the inner corner and kind of in the crease, and leave the center of my eyelid alone a little bit, if that makes any sense. I have 2 of these in chocolatey brown shades. I have a super, super dark one and a little bit more of a light one. These are the L'Oreal Infallible shadows. They're like pressed loose shadows, if that makes sense. Like there's a little cap in them to keep them pressed down, but they're like loose. This is Bottomless Java, and it's looking like we're going in with that one, but I also have Continuous Cocoa, which is almost completely black, so probably not going in with that one. I definitely should have done my eyes first. It looks like I've been punched, but it's okay. But this does have shimmer in it. I wanted a shimmery kind of highlight situation happening, but I didn't want it to be like a super standoutish color. I wanted it to kind of go with it and just be shimmery. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Which one is this? Bottomless Java. Oh my god, the fallout is ridiculous. I kind of wanted to do a little bit of a halo eye, but now that I'm in here, I kind of just want that all over my lid. Just re-blend everything. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna hop off of screen really quickly and attempt to fix my fallout situation. We'll be back in a second. Gotta have our coffee every day. Trying really hard to only have 1 coffee a day. I have to say it's terrible. So now I'm going to go in with the Jordana 12 Hour Made to Last Liquid Eyeliner Pencil in Espresso Last. It's just a dark brown. I'm going to lightly smudge this on my lash line to hide a lash band, and I'm going to go pretty heavy-handed on my waterline. I am going to take that super dark shade that we used on our outer corner on a smudge brush. You know what? I always forget I have a handheld mirror. I honestly don't use them very much. How do we feel about this? It's a little weird. And I'm just going to quickly take this matte cream shade and really brighten up my inner corner from where this is such a dark look. So now all I'm going to do is quickly hop off of the screen, and I'm trying to decide if I want to wing or not. I don't think I want to wing it out. I'm just going to apply some mascara right now. I'm trying to work through all these little baby samples, travel sizes of things I have. This is the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, bigger, blacker, badder, whatevs. I'm going to give my top and bottom lashes a healthy coat of this, And then I'm going to apply some Salon Perfect Demi Wispies using the Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive. And then we will be right back to finish out this look, guys. Okay, so we are back. Lashes are on. These lashes might be on their last wear, but they're still super pretty. So I don't ever really wear brown anything really except for eyeshadow. I don't like brown lipstick normally. I don't ever have brown hair. I never wear brown clothes. So I want to step out of my comfort zone. And I have two different brown tone lipsticks. One is from Maybelline and it's called Gray Over It. This is way more of a cool tone situation. It's very pretty. I've obviously used this one quite a bit. And then this one I have not ever tried. This is the Wet n Wild Liquid Cat Suit in caramel cake, whatever you want to call it. And you know what? These are just about the same color. This one's just more cool toned. So I think I'm gonna go with caramel cake just because I like liquid lipstick formulas better than bullet lipsticks. So let's try this out. Okay, so this is definitely not a shade I would normally wear, but I am feeling it, okay? We're just a dark person today, apparently. It's fine. I feel very edgy and gothic-y and smoky today, which is what I wanted. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, which, by the way, I definitely forgot to say in my intro. Let's not even talk about my background. But we're going to. This is called My Christmas Decorations Came Down. Before Christmas I had Halloween, and before Halloween I had fall stuff back there, but before that I was not filming in here, therefore I did not have my little shelf back here to decorate. But I'm trying to figure out what to put back there. My dad got me this light box letterboard, which is super cool, but I don't know what I want to put on it yet. My name is super long, so my name really won't fit on here how I wanted it to. I have my hello back here. I have a bunch of skulls everywhere. I have a coffee sign. I have some bananas and pajamas from when I was literally like a toddler. I've always had those. So I don't really know what's going on back there, and I can't decide what I want to put up, because if I were to decorate it with like just little knickknacks that I like from around my house that don't really go with like my whole like overall house stuff, it would all be skulls back there, which is pretty much just Halloween. So I'm trying to figure out what I want back there, but while it's in transition, okay, we don't have to talk about it. Okay? Okay. Anyway, with that aside, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like my new hair, my new look that I'm not gonna be doing this every day. That was way too much, but still, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below, and I will see you all in my next video with this makeup on, because I'm about to go change my shirt and film something else. Okay, I'll see you all later. Bye, guys.